Head ass. But yeah, we can start the records. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Hey, save me from myself. I don't wanna be this way. Still I'm on my own shit. Rarely do I deviate. Don't know if I'm lonely or just don't know how to need my space. Anxious in a group of people, they would say that he done changed. Partly know that he is I, but he and I don't seem the same. Question my identity is typical, at least of late. I've been feeling weak today. Need some calories, at least a piece of cake. Blow the candles on the top and listen to the things she say. Shorty tell me sweet lies, I can hear her teeth decay. Surely want a ceasefire, she shot up my mental space. I can't give her all the credit, part of me done been this way. Don't know if it's he or I, but can't afford to ruminate. Yeah, sometimes I hate this position. Tryna find me some oxygen in this water I swim in. I get lost in my thoughts so often, reality's distant. Got myself talking toxic, I know by now that I'm tripping. Like, yeah, I wish I had better balance. Broke now, but in a year I wouldn't need an accountant. Don't know when this shit'll drop, but when it does, I'll be wildin'. Fuck looking for what's in common, I need something uncommon. Try my best to dodge the comments. Play this close to my chest, it keeps the stakes more obvious. Live my life like a conduit, posture seem nonchalant. I always feel like what awkward is. Maybe that's just what I think. Sure, nobody notices. Either way, I turn to a savant before I fold a slip. Know that I've been known exactly where the fuck my focus is. Give my prayer to Yahweh, not exclusive as Jehovah is. Button mash my combinations, every single focus hit. Clutter mind with complications, tunnel visions hold me in. Krillin with Destructo disc uploaded on the distro kit. Flows unlimited, I take risks for God, get this shit. Inhibition slip, way before I ever hit the split. Rumble still skin, spinning gold in my sentences. Rumble pack vibration, shaking up my fingertips. Yeah. Hey! What's good, y'all? I'm Sneeze. That was 007 with the Glock. Interesting, cool song title. Can we have the music so much louder on all of the next ones? Yeah! Even more if we can, as much as we possibly can. I'm Sneeze. You can follow me at Sneeze Music. Shouts out Secret Bonus Level. You heard the video game bars. Shouts out RVAMag. We here. We're gonna go into EDD Girl. Huh? Yeah. Is it not recording this whole time? Oh shit! Damn! I was interacting with it and everything. I don't want no E-girl, I want EDD. Scam money, bands in my pants like I'm newspaper route running. Used to want some love, nowadays I don't want nothing. Rolling up my drugs, let my homies do the cup busting. Bust it open for me, darling, you should know that I want something. Type of thing that I might tell her, then I give her Al Green loving. Lift me up like propeller, that don't stop me from leaving nothing. The world of my Brent shit, I'm a dog, she don't root for me in public. Like, hey, ain't shit to me though. I just want the money and the fame, but some tiny hoes catch me saucing through the pain. I got that bitch, she a mosquito. When I get on Soldier Team, call that record label Rico. Like, hey, ain't shit to me though. I just want 100 in a range that can't get repo. Catch me saucing through the pain. I got that bitch, she a mosquito. When I get on Soldier Team, got us the label. I don't want no E-girl, I want EDD. Scam money, dance in my pants like I'm newspaper out running. Used to want some love, nowadays I don't want nothing. Rolling up my drugs, let my homies do the cup busting. Whoa, hold up, wait, I got something to say. Fuck these rappers in my city, over 40 throwing shade. Getting drunk until they pissy on my IG being fake. No, they asked me for a feature, but they didn't want to pay. Like, hey, but I got new shit on the way. Wait a minute, meant to say that they were stuck inside their ways. Like Cooper Trooper, know some fellas that don't play. Give me love the time they see me, still like, don't go where they stay. Hey, but I got new shit on the way. This shit here for number 4. Orange sweater with the flames. This some shit that hold you over. Not gonna hold you, I'll be frank. This shit doper than Frank Lucas, but got better on the way. Hey. What's good, you guys? If y'all are just getting into the stream, in the world of this little computer right here, I meant to say camera. I'm Sneeze. You can follow me at Sneeze Music. We're gonna do Cyrax now. Fuck you, backwoods. Yeah. Look, now, I heard sleep was the cousin of death. No daydreaming, I stay scheming and wondering what's next. My my mic check, it's obviously like a gun to your neck. My ace made this, and I'm about to shuffle the deck. My auntie told me pay my taxes, Grandma said pay respect. Mama told me never let these shorties leave me a wreck. I told them there won't be no worries when I get to a check. I turn to the greatest, you gon' see when it's in effect. I cop a ship just to sink with the ice on my neck. Titanic from this teen titan rhymer who's next. Set it off like Queen Latifah and Jada Pinkett. I can't be jaded, cause I know enough to know that I'm blessed. My shoulder blade is a switchblade, not just my chest. Human weapon, verbal terminator, flesh mixed with text. About as lethal as Mel Gibson and Glover on set. Twice as dope as boy to your nose from any connect. But look, said my homie shot the police, he ain't getting out. He went in at 18, be 50 when he's back around. Feel like yesterday we played the Xbox at his mama's house. Thanking God like every day he put me on a different route. Learning what this shit about. Know the music business got some demons now. Catch me smoking weed, trying to weed them out. Granddad used to say I was a heathen, he believe it now. Cause every time I get up on the track, I be speaking foul. Shit, I ain't even sorry. Back in the day, my homie had 1K like he was carved. Flipped it for a pack, he fronted me and told me, Aubrey, bring me back 2 for this. I hit him up the next morning, just a few flips before the smell got too alarming. Grandma said, you get your ass out my crib if you don't stop it. I told him I appreciate the love and cut my losses. Far from flawless, just gotta start talk from the thoughtless. Man, I wish y'all were here with me, stream viewers. You don't understand, fuck COVID-19. And Moneybag Joe, where is my bag? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Whoa. You ain't no bitch, not Devon as you think. This is a song called Dear Girl. I made it a long time ago, well, in the world of a 19-year-old for like 2 years. But I really like it, and I hope y'all like it too. Look, say, you ain't no deity, girl, not divine as you think. You feel like crabs in a barrel. Think it's time I escape. I know I need something else. Look, throw that shit in the bank, Said throw that shit in the bank. Look, don't go to parties, I don't fuck with people. But girl, you make me wanna fuck some people. Stay away, I don't fucking need you. Till they leave, then I'm fucking evil. Sorry I was always so deceitful. Never told you that I couldn't keep you. Now I know there's something that you see through. I be transparent. You can't transplant it. Father dips her bitch, transparent. Why would I care about their damage? I've been outlandish, still outstanding. She looking at me like, God damn it. I'm just trying to reach a God standard. Same reason she can't stand it, be the same reason I can't stand her. But still, look, she ain't no deity, girl, not divine, and she thinks she feel like crabs in a barrel. Look, think it's time I escape. I know I need something else. Throw that shit in the bank, Said throw that shit in the bank. Look, my flow, hydro cannon, smooth move, tight rope, bandit, incognito fashion, need no bandage. I stay real to the casket. I don't think they really understand it. I don't never take that shit for granted. Swear to never take that shit for granted. Girl, not divine as you think. You feel like crabs in a barrel. Think it's time I escape. I know I need something else. Throw that shit in the bank, She said, throw that shit in the bank. Secret bonus. Bowser, you a whole bitch. Hit the Carlton. Way more than I bargained for. Way more than I thought, for sure. Heard I sold my soul for cash. I don't really know for sure. Hey, racing on a faulty course. What is life for sure? Hope I don't explode and crash. Launch sequence. Now, space ride, Star Trek, get away. Star Wars, foresight, demonstrate. Star my shit too broke the raid. Toss my roach right in the tray. Don't wear J, hit the J. Laughing my jokes, still in no way. I want a limo on bigger stage. Dripping cold water like winter rain. Ram brand when I finna pain. Airbrush for the windy days. But then your weather had a shit have changed. Lord knows it's a fickle thing. I be like, I know it really is. Lord slug when the kid invade. No more sayings and saying shit. They be the ones I eliminate. Sour soul when they started this. Nowadays they eliminate. Yeah. Hey, way more than I bargained for. Way more than I thought. For sure. Heard I sold my soul for cash. You don't really know. For sure. Yeah. Look. And I'm racing on a faulty chord. Hey, can I pick this thing up right here? Word? Hope I don't explode and crash. Something that I know for sure. Hey. Look, color me bad in the light shade. Her pro these days, the ice age. Want this shit bad like why wait? But I know I need patience at my pace. But really I think I need my space. Spaced out trying to think about my fate. Face value, they don't see my fate. Like rain, on my youth won't miss me. Cause you know I know that the time changed. Did this since elementary. So how much in fact did this time play? Still blast off at a high rate. Just smoke from the shit made the sky ache. Space cowboy probably the vibe blade. Nighttime when I'm trying to get my mind straight. Yeah, yeah. Hey. That was Delirious. Off of the number 4 EP. That's most, you know what I'm saying? That's all the songs I got for today. I was trying to say that a cool way, but that is the cool way. I love each and every one of y'all who's viewing, you know what I'm saying? If you fuck with me, I'm Sneeze. You can follow me at Sneeze Music. If you don't, that's okay. You will later. Let's do the bean thing.